guys, welcome back to the channel for all things metal roofing in North Carolina. Today we're in Charlotte. We're speaking with a recent customer of Gator Metal Roofing, Miss Crawford. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good, thank you. Hope you are.
I am. Thanks so much for having us. And this is Nugget.
It's my champion.
You're a champion. So, Miss Crawford, tell us a little bit about your home.
Well, I built this home in 1998. And since I've been here, I've had the roof replaced one time, and it was replaced with shingles probably about 12, 13 years ago.
Yeah.
And since it's been storms and hail and all that, it was time to do it again.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so I did a lot of research. I had a lot of calls, you know, on Facebook. They had a gazillion ads about, oh, we can do your roof for $89.99 or $7,000 and blah, blah, blah. But I'm the kind of person that do my research.
Yes.
So I researched, and of course I came across another company, I won't call their name, and it was just something about them I did not like.
Right.
Well, I saw Gator Metal Roofing, and I'm like, okay, let me try these guys. So I had one of the sales people to come out, and it was Gus. Gus explained everything to me. He went through the line. He went up and did, you know, the research and the confirmation, because I did have solar panels up.
Okay.
Yeah, and just talking with Gus, it gave me the assurance and the comfortability to say, okay, I think I will try this, because I've never done it before, you know. So I'm like, okay, well, I'll go with this metal roof since it's got a lifetime warranty or a 50-year warranty.
Yes.
You know, and I appreciated that. I said, okay, well, let's do this. So I won't have to make this change every 10 to 12, 13 years, having to renew my roof.
You definitely do your research. It shows.
Oh gosh, yeah.
So when you had you had an asphalt shingle roof, and it was time to get it repaired, did your warranty, you know, was your warranty not good anymore? Or?
Well, I don't think the warranty was good anymore. And even if it was, I was just ready to upgrade. Yeah, it was just time for an upgrade. And I tell you what, it looks absolutely beautiful.
Yes.
My neighbors come through and they're like, oh my God, what is that? And I'm like, well, just call the number on the sign that's there in my yard. It's going to be there for 90 days. Yep. And I've had a lot of, oh, how much it costs? I love, call Gus. Gus will have to come and, you know, do the measurements and make sure everything is good. Yes. And take it from there. But I do not think that you'll be disappointed.
All right, we love to hear it.
Well, just look at the beautiful, just look how beautiful it looks. And since I have a black shingles, the black roof, and so I've had neighbors ask me, well, do they have different colors? I'm like, man, they gotta have 12 to 20 colors that you can select from, you know, depending on what your aesthetic is. If you want, you know, whatever your shutters are, you know, they can blend something in with that to make it look really good. And that's exactly what they did for me.
Did you choose the black color to match with your shingles?
I did.
Okay,
I did.
Great choice. It looks amazing.
I think so too. And I'm gonna tell you something. So I asked a few of my friends, okay, what do you think about black? Oh, black is the way to go. You know, especially since my black shutters and all of that. So it just looked really good, and I'm really, really pleased with it. So folks have asked me also, well, have you heard the rain? I'm like, well, we hadn't had any rain, so I don't know about that. But it don't matter, because if it gives me a 50-year warranty, I'm good.
So let's talk about customer service. When you called in to schedule your appointment, what stood out to you? Like, how was the customer service?
Customer service was excellent. And I'm gonna tell you something, having been a previous customer service manager, that's one thing that I'm a real stickler for. Is good customer service. Yes. And that's one thing that really sold me. What's the good customer service? I can call, I can get my answers. I don't have any hemming and hawing. You know, I can get what I need when I call. So I was real pleased with that, and that gave me another checkbox, you know, to check off, because, you know, sometimes you get these companies and you call for customer service, you can't get anybody, or if you get somebody, they don't know, and all this stuff. I was able to get what I needed when I called, and, you know, I'm satisfied.
I love it. So let me ask you, how fast was the install from the time you scheduled your appointment to the time your roof was on?
Okay. Maybe a week or two. And I'm gonna tell you something. So they told me they were gonna come at one particular day, and I'm like, okay. So they're gonna call me at 7 o'clock in the morning and let me know, because I like to do things in the morning. I'm a morning person. Like to do things. Honey, when the man called me, I opened my front door. I came out. It was men lined. I kid you not, lined across my yard I mean, they had pulled in their equipment, all the supplies. And I'm like, well, can I just move my truck so you can get closer? I was just really shocked how quick it was.
Yeah.
Those guys worked all day. Victor Campos was the manager's name, the project manager's name. Victor came through, he had those guys, I mean, in no time flat. They got here at 7, and I would say probably about 4 o'clock. Those guys were done.
Wow.
They went up there, they did all those different things, and then they had me to go and confirm. So I went all around the house, even on my back. I have a little incline on my backyard. So I went up there to check that. I'm like, okay, well, what about this? What about this? And it was really the sun glow.
Yeah.
And it was just absolutely beautiful, because listen, if I'm gonna spend money with you, I'm gonna confirm that what you've done is correct. And my money is, think about what season we're in financially and as far as the economy and inflation and all that.
Yeah.
I went all around just trying to find something.
Yes.
You know, just trying to find. Could not find a thing, and I'm really pleased. I'm really pleased with what I have. And when the big rain comes, we'll know.
Yes,
we'll know. So I was real pleased with his team and how they went through everything. I was real pleased with Gus, the salesperson, and I'm very, very pleased with the product.
We love it.
Looked absolutely beautiful.
Well, speaking of financials, you mentioned, spending your money. Do you feel like you got a great deal with Gator?
Oh, I'm listen, I got the deal. I really did. I got the deal. And I'm pleased for that. I'm thankful for that. And I just don't, it was just awesome. The entire experience from beginning to end. And even at the end, because my insurance company, they wanted to this and that and whatever. Yeah. Jill sent me the information that I needed, because every time you look around, the insurance company was wanting this or they wanting that, or they want you to do this. But anyway, they made sure that I had what I need to get to the insurance company so they could send me what I needed.
All right.
So I was very pleased with that.
So Ms. Crawford, let me ask you, would you recommend Gator Metal Roofing to your friends and family?
Absolutely, 100%. I would definitely recommend them to family, friends, even mom down in Texas. I would definitely recommend Gator Metal Roofing.
All right, well, thank you so much for taking the time to speak with us.
Well, thank you. I appreciate your time.
Unleash the potential of your property with Gator Metal Roofing. Schedule your free estimate now for added strength and style.